In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import in contacts into HubSpot CRM. Before you touch HubSpot, start by preparing your import file. Use either an Excel workbook or a CSV file and keep everything on a single sheet with the first row as your headers. At a minimum, include email, first name, and last name. Email is the most important column because HubSpot uses it to identify and update contacts, so make sure it's present for every row and free of typos. You can also include helpful optional columns like phone number, company, lead source, or service type. Keep your column names clear, avoid extra spaces, and don't use merged cells. Each row should represent one person. If you want a quick test, create a tiny file with just a couple of contacts to validate your setup before importing a full list. Now head into HubSpot, log in, go to contacts, and look for the import button in the top right. This opens the import workflow where you'll bring your file into the CRM. Choose Start Import, then select File from Computer. You'll be asked to specify what you're importing. Pick one file and one object, and choose Contacts as the object. Upload your prepared file and proceed to the mapping screen. On the mapping screen, HubSpot tries to match your columns to contact properties, confirm that email maps to email, first name to first name, and last name to last name. Review any optional columns you included, like phone number or company, and make sure they line up with the appropriate fields. If you have a column that doesn't exist in HubSpot yet, such as service type or a custom label like insurance lead or VA client, create a new property right here during mapping. Give it a clear name and choose a field type that fits your data. For example, single line text or a dropdown if you want standardized values. Taking a moment to get this right will save cleanup later. When everything looks correct, review your summary and proceed to finish the import. Click Finish Import, and HubSpot will process your file. Larger files may take a few minutes, so be patient. Once processing is done, go back to Contacts to verify the results. Use filters to locate your newly imported list, often labeled by the import name and date. Spot check a handful of records to confirm that names, emails, and any custom fields landed in the right places. If something looks off, you can correct the mapping and re-import a small test file before doing a full redo. That's it. With a clean file, careful mapping, and a quick review, your contacts will be safely and accurately in HubSpot, ready for outreach and tracking.